Let's now add a basic authentication to config server by adding Spring Security dependency to both services, config server and Twitter to Kafka service. So adding this dependency actually adds a basic authentication automatically. We need to update Bootstrap YAML files of both services also, and set a username and password. For config server, we will update Spring Security username and password configuration variables, and set username as Spring Cloud user with underscores, and for password, I will set Spring Cloud password with underscore and then end with exclamation mark. You can give any password you like here, of course. And for Twitter to Kafka service, we just need to add username and password under Spring Cloud config configuration definition in Bootstrap YAML file. We just set the same username and password as was in the config server configuration. Now that we have two passwords, which stays as plain text here. One is remote GitHub password, and the other one is local config server password. We need to encrypt them, and for that we will create two Git branches now. One is for JSIPed encryption, and the other one is for JCE, Java Cryptography Extension Encryption. Let's now commit all the changes with a message, like edit config server for basic authentication, and then create two new sub-branches by using git checkout -p command. We will describe JSIPed in a lecture using JSIPed git branch, and describe Java Cryptography Extension in another lecture using JCE branch, which are the two ways of encrypting secrets that we will use in our course. Alright, I will see you in the next section.